No. Day 3 of TechoCon. Swag time. It's my swag haul. I got this ring with emeralds and ruby and diamonds, pink diamonds.
And white diamonds.
And white diamonds. And I got... What's that look like? Yeah. And then I got gigantic amethyst. That's pretty cool looking. And then I got this one. It looks like a blue topaz surrounded by diamonds. My wife actually has one of those. And then this ring, which looks like Henry VIII wore it. Aquamarine or something. Let's see, it's glass. It's got water on it. Anyway, yeah. So there's this at TechoCon in the marketplace. There's a place called the Merchant of Many Things. And my wife got a bag and everything. But all 5 of these rings, $20. And you know, that's awesome because the last con I went to, she was there. I got this. I got that, and I got, anyway, yeah. And then Tara got this, which was $40. It's got like 5 pockets. It's got a hidden pocket. It's awesome. So yeah, definitely check that out. And make sure you mention Pittsburgh Pat sent you the next time you see the Merchant of Many Things at a con. And tell them you want the 5 for $20 deal. And they'll give it to you because they give it to everybody. But tell them I sent you anyway. So I'll see you guys. Take care.